Hey everybody, I'm down here in Naples, Florida. My team and I are in the process of changing out a lot of our garden beds from their winter planting to their summer planting. This one had some sun patience and some salvia in it. As you can see, they're looking a little bit tired as the days are getting longer and hotter. These plants are just spent. So it's time to transition to a new planting. We're gonna do some diamond frost and pentas, which actually, the diamond frost does really well down here in the heat. It's gonna be a nice like frothy kind of baby's breath look throughout this pentas planting around this palm tree. Now, our good buddies at Proven Winners sent us one of their new twist and plant planting augers to try. And I've always been a little bit apprehensive with these things. We've used many of them over the years, but between the rocky, gravelly soil on Mackinac Island to the rooty, palm root soil down here in Florida, planting augers have always been a little weak, a little chintzy for my team and I. But this one has been really impressive. As you can see, it's really heavy duty and thick. It's a really impressive little auger. It's not too long where it's gonna bend and wobble on us. A really nice high quality little piece here, and I've been really impressed with these guys. So I'm gonna give it a try here this morning because right underneath this palm tree, I know that this bed is just chock full of palm roots, which are notoriously difficult to dig in with a trowel. So by ripping out these old annual flowers and refreshing with this new summer planting, I'm gonna give this thing a go and see if it can be up to the test. Okay, so I've got this bed pretty well prepped out. I sprinkled a little bit of slow release fertilizer into the soil, and in doing so, I could feel with my fingers that there were a lot of roots in here. Over the course of this last winter season, this triple palm here definitely, filled this planting bed up with a whole bunch of its fibrous roots. So I know that planting in here with a trowel would be a pain in the booty. So I'm excited to give this auger a try and see what it can do. First thing I'm gonna do is sort of spread out my holes for the diamond frost and make sure I've got a good spread of that white diamond frost throughout the bed. And then I'll infill with the pentas and fill this bed right up with that pentas diamond frost mix. And I think it's gonna be pretty stunning for the summer season. Okay, I've got to say that was definitely a lot easier than had I planted this all up with a trowel. I'm impressed. Like I said before, a lot of the augers I've used in the past have been a little bit too light duty, and I think this one will stand the test of time. So I'm going to get a whole bunch of them for my cruise, and we're going to start doing a heck of a lot more planting with these augers because that saved a lot of time. There's 4 palms just like this on this property, and I think this planting is gonna look super, super sweet for the whole summer season. And yeah, if you wanna get yourself one of these augers, I highly recommend it. There's a link down below where you can order one up today for this spring's planting. Check it out.